Guys, I was gifted this Nakatin 6-inch cordless chainsaw, including 2 batteries, 21 volt, the charger, safety glasses, gloves, a sharpening tool, a spare chain, and a carry case. And here's my honest opinion. Since it already has 3 bars, I'm just going to get right to work. I've filled up the little squeeze bottle with some chainsaw bar oil. And right there until it fills up with oil. Look at that, all full. The chain is going to stay nice and lubricated. All right, so now we're ready to go and see how this works. See, this entire part of the tree is dead. Goggles on, gloves on, safety first. Ooh, that was easy. Okay, well, we'll see if we can get this thick one. So that was probably the easiest takedown of a dying tree limb that I've ever done. So that was just 4 inches in diameter. So let's go find something bigger. Okay, so it's the same tree. This part is just a little bit bigger, of course. Looks like it's about 6 inches. We'll go here. Wowee, I think it's a winner. So this little puppy is going to be great, especially for chopping up firewood, turning all these dead tree branches into the perfect size logs for the fire pit area, and just generally cleaning up the yard. Spring cleanup is going to be a snap this year. To take the battery out, you just push that button. It slides right out. I want to point out that this guard here, this protective guard, it really kept a lot of the sawdust out of my face. So I really liked that. And as I cut through the wood, it would just move up out of the way. And I don't know how, but I managed to fit it all back in there. There we go. Ready for another day.